Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Burp Suite latest version, that is 26.4 on Windows operating system. Either it may be Windows 11, 10 or servers. Okay, first go to Burp Suite official website. It is portswigger.net. Enter, then click on products. In this video I am going to download and install this Burp Suite community edition. Click on, then click on go to straight downloads. For Windows we have to click on this Windows x64, then select the location to download, then click on save. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here its size is about 391 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Burp Suite. See, download completed. Now click on this exe file, click on next. Now select the location. This is the destination directory or installation directory. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the location, then click on next. Select the file associations, then click on next. This is the name in the shortcut menu folder, then click on next. See, installation has been started. See the version 2026.4.3. see, we have successfully installed. If you want to run Burp Suite, you have to keep the checkbox and click on finish. If you don't want, unselect. But if you go to all applications, see here we have the Burp Suite. Okay, you can click on this one or select the checkbox and click on finish. Terms and conditions, select I accept. Then see here we have the professional and community. Click on, if you want go with professional, you must have the license. As I told you, in this video I am going to install community edition. Click on continue with community, then click on next. See here we have these options: load from the configuration file or use Burp defaults. Click on start. See, you got the Burp Suite. If you want to perform new live task, you have to click on here. Okay, you can go through the option, you can practice. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Burp Suite community edition 2026.4.3 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.